I'm interior designer John Barman. Welcome to this apartment I recently completed for a client on Park Avenue. This apartment is on the 38th floor and features panoramic views of the city. So my challenge was to create a design story that complemented those views and wasn't overpowered by them. My client wanted to modernize everything, keeping it clean and uncluttered. But they also wanted to bring in color at every opportunity. Lucky me, because working with color is what I love to do. It all begins right here in this entry hall. We definitely wanted the first impression to be bold and unexpected. I think this persimmon lacquer works wonderfully, just the right amount of drama and whimsy. It also serves as a great background for the colorful contemporary paintings. To say nothing of the furnishings like this brutalist Carl Springer console. Admit it, this pair of cobalt blue benches really pop. And everything and everyone looks good in this space. For the ceiling, we chose this cream lacquer, which we continued right into the living room. Lacquering the ceiling creates a greater sense of height. And as an added bonus, because we're so high up, it actually reflects the cityscape. This room serves many purposes. There's a dining area and even nooks for reading and gaming. Backgammon, anyone? And what's an entertaining area without a piano? Of course, the living room is in the center. These tiger velvet sofas are comfortable, sophisticated, and sexy. And they sit across from each other with the city as a backdrop. And for some color, we added these plush throw pillows. I just love the lines of these mid-century chairs and the organic free-form shape of the coffee table. Lacquered, of course. And we brought all these areas together by lacquering the walls in this golden beige hue. We designed it so every hour in this room feels like golden hour. For the dining area, we really wanted to make a statement, so we used this large marble top on a bronze base. I always find circular tables give a better flow in an open space like this. We then surrounded the table with green faux snakeskin leather chairs. Imagine saying dinner is served here. Here in the bedroom, the most important thing was to create a sense of calmness. We used the same color for the walls that we did in the living room, but because we're facing a different direction, the light hits it differently. And for the bedding, we used this patterned fabric. We used a high headboard to bring your eyes up. And we used these two side lights as the only light in the room. They're perfect for reading without overwhelming the senses. For privacy and visual interest, I placed this large-scale contemporary painting in front of the window. It turns the window into an accent wall and brings a bit of color where you least expect it, while still letting in enough light. That's it, but I hope you enjoyed my latest project, a vibrant, modern take on the Park Avenue apartment. See you on the next one.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.